how to delete your Gmail account permanently on Android. Firstly, I need to mention that there is no difference between working on Android and working on iPhone. In this case, I'm working on Android, but as I said, it doesn't matter. What it matters is that the process is the same with the same simple steps. The first thing what you need to do to take up on that selection, you need to go on that right side to tap on your icon. Then you need to go on that Google account selection, and right from here you're gonna find out a selection which, if you take over data and privacy, and if you scroll down, I'm sorry, it needs to take some time to take off that selection. And from now, if you go on data and privacy, and if you scroll down, here you're gonna find out delete your account. Just go click on that side, and from here you're gonna have the chance to delete your Gmail account permanently on your site. You need just to go yes, then you need to add some permissions on it, and then it will be done.